Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your screen time not showing on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, get to the settings, and from your settings scroll down until you see screen time, tap on it, and then from here tap on app and website activity. So after doing that, tap on turn on app and website activity, and then just like this, here you can see now your screen time is available. But if it's still not available on your phone, then you can scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions, tap on it, and then simply turn on this option. So after turning it on, it should fix the problem. You can now go back and see, here you can see my screen time is available. But if it's still not working, then the next thing you can check is for your date and time. So you can now get back to the main settings, and from here tap on a general, and then from here scroll down until you see date and time. And in here you have to make sure that set automatically is turned on, so that your date and time is automatically set according to the time zone that you currently are living in. So after doing this, I'm pretty sure that it will fix your problem. But if it's still not fixing, then you can try to simply update your phone. So go back and get to the general section again, and then tap on software update. So after doing that, here you can get the available software update that you need right now. All you have to do is tap on update now or update denied, and simply try to update your phone and see if it's working or not. But if it still does not work, then you can simply try to reset all of your settings. Again, get back to the main settings here on the general, and then from here scroll all the way down, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings, and then simply enter the passcode of your phone just like this, and then tap on reset all settings, and all of your settings will be turned to default. But this won't destroy any of your data, so don't worry about that. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your problem will be solved. But if it's still the problem, then you can try to first restart your iPhone. You can simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power button until you see Apple logo. And within few minutes, your iPhone will successfully be restarted. And like that, you can solve the problem of your screen time not showing on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.